Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's project, we're going to take our new remote and we're going to program it to open up this garage door opener. Now we're just adding a remote to an existing garage door opener, and we do not want to erase the other garage door openers that we're using right now. So what you want to do is you want to come up to your unit right here real quick, and we're going to pull this cover down. You just grab the top of it and give it a little bit of a pull, and it opens right up. And if you look on the side right up in here, you'll see there's a button right up here. This is the Learn button. What you do is you press the Learn button for just a second, press it and release it, and then you hold the large button here down until the garage door light blinks twice, and then you can release it and you can press it and open the garage door. I will tell you this, if you hold that button down more than, I think it's more than 5 seconds, you erase all of the codes that are stored in there, and then you'll have to reprogram each one of the garage door openers. If you make a mistake and you do that by accident, it's no big deal. It's just make sure you have each one of the remotes in your hand so you can program the remotes so that they work. All right, so enough talking, let's get in here. We're just gonna press this button here and release it. Press it and release it. You see that light lights up? And now we're gonna hold this down until it blinks. Let go. And that's it. So that's all there is to it. Just press the button just for a second, 1 or 2 seconds, no longer. If you hold it down longer, you will wipe out all the codes. But it's a fairly easy program. Just make sure that you have the correct garage door openers. I can't tell you how many times I've had people contact me saying that they just purchased a new garage door opener and they can't program it to the unit itself. And that's because each one of these units here have different frequencies. So it's important that you get the correct one. Now, even though this one says Chamberlain and this up here says it's LiftMaster, LiftMaster and Chamberlain are the exact same company. All right, so that's how you program the remote to operate an existing garage door opener. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.